What's up, guys? Will here. Welcome back to another pizza review, and my phone's falling, isn't it? Stupid. Dang, I knew this shit was gonna happen. Okay, hopefully that doesn't fall. Anyways, guys, welcome back to another pizza review. I am really sorry I wasn't able to get a pizza review up last week, guys. I was really sick. I had COVID, and I could barely eat anything because it hurt to swallow. It really hurt whenever I swallowed anything, so I couldn't do a pizza review, but we're back. We're doing another one. We're doing another specialty pizza review. This week we got the buffalo chicken, because this is not last week, but the week before we did the barbecue chicken, and I'm not looking forward to this because I don't like hot stuff. But yeah, anyways, let's just jump right in and see what we're working with. Alright, opening the box. Yeah, this is what we're working with. We got ourselves the base hot sauce, not normal pizza sauce or white sauce. It is hot sauce as our base, which is fun. We also got chicken, because it wouldn't be a buffalo chicken if there wasn't chicken on it, obviously. And we also got some stuff that I think kind of ruined the name of a buffalo chicken. We got the onions, which I don't think the onions are bad, but we also have tomatoes and pickles. Who the hell puts pickles on a pizza? Like, I don't like pickles. But this is a reason why I'm not looking forward to this. But yeah, I gotta try it, because gotta review it. Anyways, let's just jump right into the taste test, see how this thing tastes. I don't want to do this. I really don't want to do this shit. I'm going to be taking one bite of this thing, and it's probably going in the trash. Calling it right now. Oh. God, I need a napkin. Hold on, guys. I'm always forgetting the napkins, I swear. Although it's more of a paper towel, it's not really a napkin. Oh, now my nose is itchy. Jesus Christ. Ugh. Ugh. Alright, anyways, let's just try this shit. This is not doing it. This really ain't doing it. Ugh. This is not good. This ain't good at all. I'm taking another bite. Some pickle in it. I don't like this. God. Yeah. Nah. No, that tastes bad. I'm sorry. Like, everything so far has been good. Every specialty pizza. This sucks. This actually sucks. Like, this is awful. Like, this is not how we should be serving buffalo chicken. Like, I genuinely think this is a terrible pizza. Like, now I might be just saying that because I hate hot sauce and I hate pickles. I might just be saying it because of that, but I just generally don't think it's good. Yeah, this is going in D tier, 100%. Probably going to be the final, the third slot in D tier because I don't think any other pizza is going to be this bad. Not even the seafood, which I've never really had the seafood, so I don't really know what that's like, but cannot be much worse than this. It can't. Nah, nah. This pizza just it's not good. I'm sorry to anyone who likes buffalo chicken. Yeah, especially if you get this type of buffalo chicken. If you get it from a pizza shop and it looks exactly like that. If you like it, by all means, eat whatever you like. I don't think this is good at all. So yeah. Anyways, guys, I hope you all enjoyed. I didn't really eat much, I know. I did actually have pizza before this because I knew that I wasn't eating this. I was like, it's just not good. I'm sorry. So yeah, if you all enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for next week, which I think next week I'm doing the cheeseburger pizza. Something like that. So yeah. Be sure to like and subscribe for next week's pizza review. I will see you all next time. Goodbye.